Safari for iOS has a built-in download manager that will be visible in the search bar during and after downloading a file from a website. Here on the iPad, I've opened a free background music site. We can listen to a preview of these songs, or tap download to save the file to the iPad. We then get the option to view the file or download it. Tap View, and in this case, the audio file will open and play. Let's go back and download it this time. Up in the address bar for this site, we get a download icon. Tap here, and we can open a Downloads panel. Let's download another song file. That is also added to the Downloads panel here in Safari. We can tap to open either of these files. What we really need to know, though, is where were these files downloaded to? That is determined in the General section of Safari settings. Currently, downloads will be saved to the Downloads folder within iCloud Drive. Downloading to iCloud Drive means the files will be available on my other devices along with the iPad. Switch to the On My iPad option, and any files downloaded going forward will only be available on this device. Tap Other, and we can select any folder on the iPad or within iCloud Drive to save downloads too. I'm going to keep this set to the iCloud Drive Downloads folder. This folder can be found in the Files app. So let's open that. And here in iCloud Drive, we can see the 2 downloaded tracks in the Downloads folder. Switch to On My iPad in Locations, and notice we also have a Downloads folder here. This was the second option in Safari settings. If this is confusing, it's easy to just delete this Downloads folder. It won't be needed unless we switch to it in Safari settings. If we do, the folder will be recreated automatically. Over on the iPhone, iCloud Drive is set as the Downloads location as well. Open the Files app, and we can access the files that were downloaded on the iPad. In Safari on the iPhone, let's download this NASA wallpaper. Tap up in the search bar to view the Downloads panel. Open the Files app to access the downloaded file. That too will be accessible from the iPad via iCloud Drive. With images like these wallpapers, it might be preferable to download them directly to the Photos app. This time, rather than choosing Download here, let's tap the View button. Then tap and hold on the image and save to Photos. That downloads the same file directly to the Photos app. So when downloading file types other than images, you will need to use the Downloads Manager in Safari. For images, we can skip that and save them directly into the Photos app.